Hi everyone, I'm Trish Triumpho Sullivan and I'm going to be your instructor for Art History 1B, which is the Renaissance through the present. Like I said, my name is Trish Triumpho Sullivan. You can call me Trish, you can call me Ms. Sullivan. Just don't call me late for dinner because I never am. Here's my contact information at psullivan@hartnell.edu for email. If you have an art history emergency and you need to contact me right away via text or phone call, please call me at 831-594-1799. And the book for this class is Gardner's Art Through the Ages, right? 2. So here's an older copy of it. I don't care what copy you get. It can be old as sin. I don't care. The older books often have both part 1 and part 2 in one book, one big thick book. And this is part 2. It can be any edition. So it can be an old book. It can be an e-book. It can be a book borrowed from the library. I don't care. As long as you have the book, you have to do the reading in it. It's important that you do the reading, okay? So the book is essential for this class. The format is going to be recorded lectures, like right now when I'm recording this lecture, that you can watch at your leisure on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, okay, which I have an art channel, right, art class channel, and movies about famous artists and art movements, right, so we'll try to keep it interesting with that, and of course the reading, so you're gonna have lectures, movies and reading, and you'll have to take notes, right? It's important that you do that. We'll be talking about how to take notes as well. I'll be posting a little lecture on that. A quick heads up, if I write it on the board, you need to write it down. Okay, that's probably on a test. So we'll be meeting every Tuesday from 1 to 2 to have a class discussion live on Zoom. Now, if you can't make that meeting, for whatever reason, you'll need to watch the live Zoom recording, okay? And email me the secret word when you're done. Yeah, we've got secret words in this class. So we're gonna have some fun with this. It's a really exciting subject, and I'm gonna try to make it as interesting as possible and make some good solid connections with art history, and what's happening in our world today. So we'll try to make these good connections to make it a little more fun learning experience. Welcome to class, you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you, in quotes, since we're virtual here. Looking forward to seeing you in class. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Remember, I will be giving you assignments and posting lectures on Canvas. So you'll need to make sure you have your Canvas notifications turned on, so you can know when I've posted a lecture, when I've posted an assignment, and keep your eyes open for the syllabus and everything else showing up. We'll see you in class, folks.